Hey there, fitness friends. Push-ups are the ultimate equalizer, whether you're a kid, a senior, a gym buff, or someone who's never worked out a day in your life. There's a push-up for you. Today, we're exploring push-ups for different people because no matter your age, fitness level, or goals, this classic move can work wonders. From beginners to pros, kids to grandparents, we've got variations tailored to your needs. Let's break it down and find the perfect push-up for you because everyone deserves a shot at strength. Why push-ups are for everyone? Push-ups are magic. No equipment, no gym, just your body and some floor space. They build your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core all at once. But here's the kicker, they're adaptable. Too hard? Scale it down. Too easy? Crank it up. Whatever your starting point, young or old, fit or not, there's a version that fits like a glove. Let's see how push-ups shape up for different folks and how you can make them yours. Push-ups by fitness level. Your experience dictates your push-up. Here's where to start. Beginners, knee push-ups. Who, newbies, anyone rebuilding strength, or those with limited upper body power. How, knees on the ground, hands shoulder width, lower your chest, push up. Why it works, cuts the weight you lift by half, perfect for learning form without overwhelm. Goal, 3 sets of 8 to 15, build to 20, then try full push-ups. Tip, keep your body straight from knees to head, no sagging. Intermediates, standard push-ups. Who, casual exercisers, folks with some fitness base, or those stepping up. How, plank position, hands under shoulders, lower to an inch off the floor, push up. Why it works, the gold standard hits chest, triceps, and core evenly. Goal, 3 sets of 15 to 25, smooth and steady wins here. Tip, elbows at 45 degrees, protects shoulders, maximizes gains. Advanced, one arm or plyometric push-ups. Who, athletes, gym rats, or anyone crushing regular push-ups. How, one arm, single hand, wide feet, up and down. Plyo, explode so hands lift off, land, repeat. Why it works, power, strength, and bragging rights, takes fitness to the next level. Goal, 3 sets of 5 to 10, one arm, or 8 to 15, plyo, quality over quantity. Tip, warm up big, these demand hot muscles. Push-ups by age group. Your age changes the game, here's what fits. Kids, 6 to 12 wall push-ups. Who, youngsters building strength or having fun. How, stand arm's length from a wall, hands on it, lean in, push back. Why it works, gentle intro to strength, safe and playful for growing bodies. Goal, 3 sets of 10 to 20, make it a game. Tip, add a hop between reps for extra giggles. Teens, 13 to 18 standard or wide push-ups. Who, active teens, athletes, or those prepping for sports. How, standard, plank and push. Wide, hands out wider for chest focus. Why it works, builds a strong base for sports or just looking good. Teens bounce back fast. Goal, 3 sets of 15 to 30, push the pace. Tip, mix in claps if they're feeling bold. Teens love a challenge. Adults, 19 to 50 diamond or Spider-Man push-ups. Who, busy parents, desk jockeys, or fitness buffs balancing life. How, diamond, hands in a diamond shape, tricep focus. Spider-Man, knee to elbow as you lower. Why it works, efficient and versatile, fits any schedule, hits multiple goals. Goal, 3 sets of 10 to 20, squeeze it into your day. Tip, slow it down for more burn if time's tight. Seniors, 50 plus incline push-ups. Who, older adults maintaining strength, mobility, or joint health. How, hands on a sturdy surface, counter, bench, lower chest, push up. Why it works, easier on joints, still builds muscle, keeps you strong and independent. Goal, 3 sets of 8 to 15, steady and safe. Tip, higher surface equals easier, adjust to your comfort. Push-ups by goal. What's your why? Here's your push-up match. Strength, archer push-ups. Who, power seekers or those prepping for heavy lifts. How, wide hands, shift to one arm, other stays straight, alternate. Why it works, unilateral strength, bridges to one arm mastery. Goal, 3 sets of 6-12/side, feel the force build. Muscle size, wide or diamond push-ups. Who, body sculptors chasing a bigger chest or triceps. How, wide, stretch those pecs. Diamond, carve those arms. Why it works: high tension, big stretch, hypertrophy heaven. Goal: 3 sets of 12 to 20. Volume is your friend. Endurance: high rep standard push UPS. Who: runners, cyclists, or stamina junkies. How: classic form, crank out as many as you can. Why it works: build staying power upper body that won't quit. Goal: 50 to 100 total reps, break it into sets if needed. Fun/fitness, clap or Spider-Man push UPS. Who: playful souls or variety lovers. How: clap, explode and clap mid-air. Spider-Man knee to elbow. Why it works: keeps it fresh, adds a cardio kick, fitness with flair. Goal: 3 sets of 8 to 15, smile through the sweat. How to make it yours. Start where you are, pick one that feels doable, progress beats perfection. Warm up, 5 minutes arm swings, light reps, wake those muscles up. Scale it: too hard? Raise hands, incline. Too easy? Add a clap or go one arm. Frequency: 2 to 3 times a week, rest days fuel growth. Real stories, real people. My 8-year-old niece loves wall push-ups, she giggles through 20 like it's a race. My buddy Mike, a 40-something dad, swears by diamonds, says his arms look better than ever. My grandma? She's 72 and rocks incline push-ups off the kitchen counter, 10 reps keep her spry. Me? I mix archers and claps, keeps me strong and grinning. Push-ups fit everyone, what's your fit? Tips for all. Form first, straight body, full range, half reps cheat you. Breathe, out on the push, in on the drop, oxygen is power. Listen up, joints ache? Ease off, there's always a gentler version. Have fun, crank some tunes or challenge a friend, joy fuels effort. The payoff. Push-ups meet you where you are, kids get stronger, adults get fitter, seniors stay mobile. Your chest firms up, triceps tighten, and confidence climbs. No matter who you are, you'll feel the win. Imagine a teen nailing their first clap, a parent squeezing in 20 before work, or a grandparent pushing up with pride. That's the power of push-ups. Your challenge. Find your push-up today, knee, wide, clap, whatever calls you. Try 3 sets of whatever you can manage, 5, 10, 20 reps, feel it out, tweak it, own it. Tell me who you are and how it went, beginner, senior, strength chaser. I'm here for your story. Push-ups are for different people, and that means you. Let's get moving.